This year, although you can't see me, I got a new package today through 3SleepingEye's Apothecary. It was a very surprised package, so I'm going to do my very first hand voice only unboxing. So we're gonna see how this goes. I love the smell of this. I seriously wish y'all could smell this. Her stuff always smells amazing. Oh, we have her amazing anxiety tea. Y'all, I swear by this stuff. It is amazing. Look at that. She always packs. This, I believe, is a handwritten note. I'm not gonna read that. We have this. I love all the things she also adds. Actually, I do have to open this because I believe it may also say it's in it. Okay. The sticker's stuck to the bag. Look! Oh, they're little oils. I believe they're oils. Palo Santo! Oh my god! Oh, I'm so excited about this. And this is a very special flower that we have talked about that I'm adding to my collection. I have to be very careful with it.
Yep, that's the one.
Oh, look at that, y'all. This is Angel Trumpet. It's not for use at all. This is going in my personal collection. Oh, thank you so much. And I should have got a card ready for this that she had given me. Show everything. And this, I love everything that she puts into these. Make sure that it's all. Oh, no, it's not. That's what I was looking for. And again, 3SleepingEye's Apothecary. You can find her Instagram, on her Facebook.
I promise the light's reflecting. That's better.
Sorry about that.